Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are removing and replacing a front emblem in this 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need this part or other parts for your car or truck, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, we're gonna pull these 10mm bolts out. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. We'll take our 10mm socket and ratchet, pull these out. Pull this last bolt out. And we can gain a little more access. You can slip your hand in here better. So, in behind here, there's these two fasteners that we have to take off. They're 10mm. There's one there and there's one there. I'm going to use my ratchet. Fastener came right off. Here's that 10mm fastener that came off from the back. And then once those come back, then we can pull the emblem right out. This is our old emblem. This is our new emblem from 1aauto.com. As you can see, it looks significantly better because this one's gold. This one, the gold piece has fallen off. If you look at the back, the two tabs are aligned the way they should, and the indexer is in the same spot. This one actually has a little adhesive tape that'll keep it on a little bit better. You can order yours up at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, you're gonna wanna wipe off this area. It's a good idea to use a little bit of alcohol in the area where this is gonna stick. Wipe that off. I'm gonna peel this double-sided tape sticker off, pull that, and the index goes right here. So we're gonna slide those two in there and just stick it down. Okay. We're gonna take the fasteners, put that on, get it started by hand, and get the other one on. Snug it up. You don't want to make it too tight. Pretty much once the emblem can't really move, then it's tight enough. I'm gonna reinstall our 10mm bolts. We'll get these all started before we tighten them down. That's tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.